Okay, this is a video on acceleration with regard to physics and how my programs work on the TI89 Titanium calculator. Um, let's get started here. You have to press second alpha in my program after you buy my programs to put in the PHYSICS letters, and then you have to press alpha again to put the open and close parentheses in here. Press enter and you're into my menu. You have many choices, of course, so everything's always menu driven. Atwood machine and baseball hit and all kinds of things, but right now we're interested in acceleration, so that's what we're going to choose here. And notice we have angular and centripetal and tangential acceleration that you want to go right to them. Otherwise we're going to go to the acceleration whereby you know that you need to find acceleration because of what the test question was. And so and then of course they give you the variables, and there's a million of them, so I put them all here in alphabetical order. And you can scroll down to what they give you. Right now let's just do mass and coefficient of kinetic friction and the angle, probably of a ramp, generally a mass sliding down a ramp or something. And of course we have to press alpha before we enter anything into these entry lines, so I'm going to press alpha and put in 8, and they give you the choice of grams or kilograms, and I'm going to choose a number before that, kilograms, or I can scroll to it. Coefficient of kinetic energy, I'm going to put alpha 0.6 maybe, and then the angle alpha 24 degrees, and I show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. Here's the equation, the original equation. You always want to throw this down, and then because the masses cancel, it's a big deal in physics where masses on both sides of the equation, so algebraic you can cancel it. And here's the real equation for acceleration. You mark this on your paper. That's the first thing you mark down, of course. You got 3 points credit right then. And here's the actual formula. And then you enter the variables that you've put in here. And here's the answer, minus 1.387 meters per second squared. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepphysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass your physics tests and class.